Hello everyone, I'm Amit, a computer science educator and trainer from India, and in this session of remote learning, we are going to learn that how we can become a Wakelet community member and open up ourselves to a wide range of opportunities and widen our horizon by interacting with experts or the educators around the globe, those who practice the 21st century skills in their classrooms, and we can do that too by learning from them. It's all free, but we still hit the community button to start. Right now I'm on the wakelet.com homepage, and here is the community tab which I have clicked, and it has taken me to another page, community page, where I can see that why to become a Wakelet community member. So all those things that we can have access to the new products and feature pre-launch. We can share our ideas with a passionate community around the globe. We can grab some goodies from the Wakelet as surprise, and this is the wonderful Wakelet community badge which we get when we become a community member. And now it's time to hit the joining button. Let's hit this button, and it'll open us open up a form which will only require 8 typical entries from us to get started. So I'll hit the apply now button, and it'll ask me to enter my first name. My first name is Ahmed. Okay, done. First one is done. Last name Kumar. It's done. Now it's time to email address sustainablecosmos2019@gmail.com. Okay, now my Wakelet handle, that is sustainablecosmos. Then last one, my Twitter handle, that is Ahmed_NFU. Done. Now, how do you currently use Wakelet to disseminate e-content to my students? Maybe like that. Don't worry about the spelling mistake. They'll be taken care of by the right click of a button. You know that. Okay. So now here are the communities if you are a member of one. So I'm an MI expert, done. Apple teacher, checked, and now comes others. I'm a near or distance learning expert. I think if you don't have any such designation, you can always write none. So it's not mandatory to have. So it's like where I'm based. I'm based in Shimla, India. And now it's the 8th one. I think I'm done. I have reached the finish line. So it's I'll hit the finish button. I'll get an acknowledgement mail in my email ID that I mentioned, and after some time I will get the badge also, the community member badge, which will open me to this wonderful opportunity of interacting with people around the globe through Wakelet, as well as it'll benefit my students also, as I'll be able to inculcate all those 6 skills which can I practice using Wakelet. They are also among 21st century skills like communication, critical thinking, curation, creativity, collaboration, and digital citizenship. So it's all about just hitting this finish button, and that's it. It's done. It will take back us to the original page. It's all done.